Thank you for joining me as I show you how I decorated this Christmas in July cookie set. One question that I have, just random, is why is it Christmas in July and not Christmas in June, which is the halfway point between summer and Christmas? Anybody know? Let me know in the comments. So getting started here, decorating the gingerbread boy, you will see the holes I poked underneath his swim trunks as to help prevent cratering of the icing on top as it dries. I'm doing a wet on wet technique here to create little hibiscus flowers. And as you're doing something like this, you want to make sure that you are cleaning your scribe between each swipe. And I'm just doing 4 swipes from the outside to the inside of each circle to create these adorable little hibiscus on his swim trunks. Finishing off with some outline details and his little white squiggles on his arms and legs that define him as a gingerbread boy. Then eyes, mouth, and little gingerbread dots up his chest and some cheeks to finish him off. And now he's ready to hang out by the beach. His girlfriend is next. I have already outlined and flooded her base layer, doing the little details. This is kind of a thicker flood consistency red, using my scribe to shape her bikini top. Then after that, I do her bottoms, and I'm going to decorate these with some little polka dots using white flood icing, just barely squeezing any icing out because they will spread, giving her a little red and white polka dot bikini, keeping in tune with the Christmas spirit but making her summery. And eyes, mouth, and cheeks, and she's ready to hang out with her gingerbread boyfriend. Next up is our Christmas themed ice cream cone with 2 scoops of Christmas themed ice cream. Doing the cone here, these are mini cookies. Just going to flatten out this icing but not worry too much about it because I'm going to be using a parchment paper that you lay directly on top of the wet icing. Just gently tap it in, make sure there's no air bubbles underneath, and then you allow this to dry completely. Then I'm going to go ahead and outline my ice cream scoop cookie with white icing. Once I've done flooded, I'm going to do the coolest technique that was incredibly popular last Christmas, using red icing to do a wet on wet candy cane technique. So I'm taking red flood icing and doing small dots in the shape of a candy cane. Once I've done all the areas that I want to do, I go back with my scribe and I'm going to swipe along the outside of the dots using my scribe to fix any errors that are made and clean the scribe off as needed. You don't want to be dragging tons of red icing through here. And just swiping along again the outer edges of these dots, and it creates that amazing candy cane look. Allow this part to dry, and then using outline icing to create the bottom part of the ice cream scoop and sprinkled with standing sugar. Allow that to dry, and that one is done. For the snowman, we outline and flood a white ice cream scoop cookie. Allow that to dry before adding our snowman details. Going to do the same thing on the bottom with outline white icing, and then using some orange to create a little carrot and black to create eyes and a mouth. And he is done. Then take your cone, peel off the parchment, and your set is complete.